Hi guys, and welcome back to the kingdom. I hope you guys have had positive and productive weeks this week. So this week I'll be showing you guys the book art I did for Children of Blood and Bone. Hopefully you guys will have already seen the sprayed edge that I put on this book, which was a lot of fun to do. And actually this time, for once, there was so little cleanup. The stencil really worked, as you guys will see obviously in the time lapse. I also defaced the cover, the front cover. This is the first time that I've actually ever tried to put my vector art on a book. So it's a series of stencils. There's like 6 or 7 stencils in total. And it isn't finished yet. Normally I would finish this off with pencils and other things. But that's the front cover. Obviously it's Zeely. And on the back we've got a pretty design. So without further ado, I'll jump into the time lapse. So we have the front, which is obviously Zeely. So what I will do with my pencils is I'll go in and do really fine detailing. So I'll put some black in the eyes and some white in the eyes with a gel pen. Put some definition in the lips so that they don't just look like one giant blob. But like I've said before, I don't have my pencils with me here in lockdown, which is kind of frustrating, but never mind. So I will do the last minute adjustments and then probably post a photo to Instagram. And then on the back, we've got this mandala design, which I love because the gold is really metallic. And then on the sprayed edge. And as I've demonstrated many times before, thumb the pages and it comes back together. Anyway, I don't really have much wittering to do. The designs will be available on my Etsy store, although I don't think, unless I get a lot of requests, I'll put the Zeely design on, because it would be quite expensive because of the number of stencils it requires, like 5 or 6 as you saw in the video. That would mean it would be quite an expensive thing to sell, and I just don't think anybody would want them. But yeah, the mandala design will be going up, the sprayed edge design will be going up, so yeah, be sure to check it out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as I do all sorts of book arty things. I have no idea what book I'm going to be doing next time, so all I can say is I'll see you next time, where there will be a mystery book that I will paint. I'll see you all next week. Bye!